Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The Shiba Inu altered the rules. Prepare yourself for this Shib news. A meme coin called Shiba Inu was excellently developed to profit off the excitement around Dogecoin in 2020. Shiba Inu has seen its value rise over time despite being one of the best meme currencies available on the market. The Shiba Inu team, for instance, just unveiled a Layer 2 solution that would aid in scaling and make it even better for regular payments. Additionally, Shiba Inu recently unveiled a metaverse, providing it a foothold in a rapidly expanding market. We'll discuss how the Shiba Inu revolutionized the game in this video. Prepare yourself for this Shib news. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Recent price swings in Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole have been brought on by weak macroeconomic headwinds and recent crypto industry bankruptcies. Shiba Inu's trading value has increased by up to 60% while the value of other cryptocurrencies is down. An ERC20 token called Shiba Inu came onto the market in August 2020. Despite the fact that it was solely made to capitalize on the rising popularity of Dogecoin. Shiba Inu then developed into one of the best performing digital currencies ever produced, rising by almost 48 million% by the end of 2021. Although it doesn't happen often, the trading volume, which is the total amount traded between buyers and sellers, may indicate investor positioning. 27 trillion tokens, or 27,747,491,040,661 Shib, worth $332,414,104, were traded in the previous day, according to CoinMarketCap data. Shib was up 0.53% from the previous day, and trading at $0.00012. In the tweet, Satoshi Kusama discussed the recent gathering of the Shib development team and unification. The meeting then indicated that the Shibarium update was nearing completion. Although Satoshi stated once more that the upgrade is expected to be released shortly, same rhetoric has been used in earlier remarks. You Today reported earlier this week that the Shib community had made available Discord communications in which Kusama made reference to tying a lovely bow on something, possibly alluding to Shibarium. In the same article, Tropheus, another significant Shiba developer, also made a similar announcement, saying that after making changes to the Shiba Inu website, they would run docs before beta. On the other hand, the community as a whole is excited about the discussions around the beta release of Shibarium in 2023. Following Shibarium speculation, the second largest meme coin on the market increased by more than 3%. As a result, it rose to become one of the top 10 coins that big Ethereum wallet owners bought. You claim that the Shiba Inu is currently dominating the fashion world as news of an Italian fashion designer included it in his most recent collection spread. Shiba Inu has already made its way into the world of mainstream commerce. A number of cryptocurrency payment processors, like Welly's Shib-themed fast food eatery, take Shib. A report from Binance claims that the Shiba Inu-themed apparel line is this time the Memecon's entry into the fashion world. Italian fashion designer John Richmond previously shared his upcoming collection on Twitter. Richmond posted a street-style outfit with the word Shiba on the shirts and pants, and the designer's initials J on the varsity jacket. According to Binance, they had written on them that the image was a sneak preview of the collection. In addition, the designer had earlier shared a photo of a hoodie along with a slew of additional hashtags, including #ShibaFashion. Richmond is also a well-known fashion designer, with celebrities like the late musician Snoop Dogg donning his creations. It's interesting to note that the account's profile photo is a cartoonized Shiba Inu dog breed rather than the Shiba Inu breed's official emblem. Although Shiba Inu and John Richmond announced their relationship with Shib in 2022, the designer has not yet specified a launch date for the Shib-themed clothing collection. The designer has previously shown his Shib apparel at fashion events like Milan Fashion Week. According to the paper, Hype is a major factor in Shiba Inu's performance as a prize, and the more buzz the coin receives, the more likely it is that it will rise in value. Partnerships like the one with John Richmond become crucial in this situation. According to the study, Richmond's designs assist in exposing the cryptocurrency to a group of people who may later invest in it. Days after rumors of Amazon's alleged launch of its Web3 plan went viral, reports claim that the project's final form is still a secret. An NFT marketplace or anything like may be gained as part of Amazon's effort, according to a report. The research also stated that either Amazon lacked the size and scale to turn this into a market and mainstream the Web3 economy, or the regulatory complexity and unpredictability of achieving this would kill the project before it even got off the ground. The research also said that because to legal ambiguities, top blue-chip firms typically shunned Web3. Yes, payment processors like Visa and MasterCard have made an effort to incorporate stablecoins into their networks. According to the research, big tech and TradeFi companies regularly participate in the crypto economy, and many crypto nodes are hosted on Amazon's cloud service, AWS. They continue to be participants in the Web3 economy, accepting the difficulties posed by dispersed ownership, ambiguous regulation, and ambiguity. The paper went on to say that if Amazon's efforts are successful, which will require addressing the regulatory hurdles, they might be transformative. The digital currency is still on track to gain more than 43% this month, which would be its best month since October 2021, when it rocketed an astounding 830% higher following Shiba Inu's break above its 200-day simple moving average earlier this month, the first sustained break above this level since 2021. The bulls are becoming more raucous. They should be aware, nevertheless, that Shib's had a major bearish move earlier this month. Technical development Shib verified a downward trend that connected the highs of August, October 22nd, and January 2023, which raises the possibility that the short-term bias for the coin may be negative. Shib traders should monitor how the crypto token responds to the $0.0 support level if this week's macro events have an impact on cryptocurrency. A breakup of the pattern, in the opinion of CryptoNews.com expert Join Eyes, would allow for a test of the zero-level peaks from October and August, respectively. Does each data highlight from the block demonstrate that there are more Shib tokens with unrealized gains than there are unrealized losses and tokens that have reached break-even combined? iSage claims that the block's IO map model demonstrates that investors would choose to support a Shiba Inu price surge as opposed to dumping the token, particularly with the impending launch of the Shibarium protocol. To give you some context, the IMAP model at the end of last week revealed that 69.95% of the Shib token supply is in the money, while 27.15% is out of the money, and roughly 3.2% is at the break-even point. Analysts at Business2 Community are bullish on Shib in 2023 based on forecasts that Shiba Inu's creators will continue to increase the coin's usability through the growth of the Shiba Inu Web3 ecosystem. The Shibaverse and Shibaswap will both be crucial components, and these use cases may be able to reduce the rise to zero. They argue for an approximately 250% increase from the present price, and given that the developers of Shiba Inu are currently working on their decentralized exchange and metaverse, and that the community of Shiba Inu anticipates growing even more, we predict that the Shib price could cross $0.1 by the end of 2025. The addition Satoshi Kazama, the creator of Shiba Inu Lee, has gave a cryptic update regarding the impending debut of Shibarium, the eagerly awaited Layer 2 network. Kusama recently urged Telegram users to stock up on popcorn in a message. The Shiba Inu community has begun to wonder when Shibarium will start in response to the message. The principal architect of Shiba Inu recently made another enigmatic statement regarding the impending release of Shibarium, according to a report by U-Today, noting a heart-shaped box in his Twitter status update. The community is excited to see what Kazama and his team have in store for them as a result of the rumors that the launch date is Valentine's Day, which has increased the excitement around the launch. The Shiba Inu community is anticipating more announcements from the development team as the launch date draws near. The Shib community is anticipating the introduction of Shibarium. Due to the Layer 2 solution's capacity to offer quicker and less expensive transactions, it may have a substantial impact on the adoption and use of the token. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.